welcome to the video on Hackers Roadmap 2024. In this video, we will explain how to become a hacker in 2024. First, let's check out hackers. Hacker is a word which is originally defined as an expert programmer who is efficient in computer operating systems and machine code. But nowadays, the hacker is a person who is continuously engaged in hacking activities. In today's world, cyber attacks are increasing day by day as the digitization of businesses is continuously growing. According to the statistics, the average cost of a data breach is approx 9.48 million USD, which includes expenses related to identifying and responding to the attack, lost revenue, etc. to the business. Next, let's check out what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, it's a process of using hacking techniques to find, understand, and solve security vulnerabilities in a computer system or network. This process helps organizations to develop their security measures by finding out the weaknesses before the hackers exploit them. It is a proactive approach which can protect organizations from potential data breaches, financial loss, and much more. Now, as ethical hacking is a good process, ethical hackers are also good people in the hacking world. Next, role of an ethical hacker. Ethical hackers could work as independent contractors as simulated offensive cybersecurity experts for company or in-house security personnel for a company's apps or website. To become an ethical hacker, you should know about the latest attack tools and techniques. Additionally, the in-house ethical hacker might be well versed in software or digital assets. Now, do you want to become an expert ethical hacker? If yes, then here are some important steps for you. Knowledge of Linux. Linux is an open source operating system that ensures good security for computer systems. If you want to become an ethical hacker, you must be well versed with Linux as it is one of the most used operating systems. Some common Linux distributions are Ubuntu, Backtrack, Red Hat Linux, and much more. Next is networking concepts. Knowing networking concepts and how to create them is important for ethical hackers. Knowing about several protocols and networks is essential in exploiting vulnerabilities. Having detailed knowledge of networking tools like Nmap, Wireshark, etc. is essential to solve hacking problems. Networking concepts are subnetting wireless networks, automobile networks, CAN, domain name services, and much more. Knowledge of C. C is popular or C is also known as the mother of all programming languages. It is the basis of learning Linux as this operating system is written in C. Ethical hackers should be expert in this language as it enables them to use the Linux operating system in the way they want. Next is cryptography. This is also known as secret writing. Cryptography plays a significant role in the career of ethical hackers as knowing how to encrypt and decrypt is necessary in hacking. Encryption has uses in several aspects of information security. This includes data integrity, authentication, and much more. Ethical hackers must know how to detect the encryption and break it. Discover vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities are loopholes or weaknesses in the system. Ethical hackers can also try writing vulnerabilities and exploit the system. Some common tools for identifying vulnerabilities are Nessus Vulnerability Scanner, Wapiti Vulnerability Scanner, Nikto Vulnerability Scanner, OpenVS, and Nmap Vulnerability Scanner. Now, know how to become anonymous. This is one of the most important steps in terms of ethical hacking. Knowing how to become anonymous and hiding the identity online is very essential so that no one can backtrace. Proxy chains, AnonServe, and MagChanger are the best tools to secure your identity. Cybersecurity ethics and laws. It is vital to be aware of all the relevant regulations, laws, and ethical guidelines that govern cybersecurity and hacking activities. Web applications. Having knowledge of web technologies such as CSS, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, etc. is very important. It is also necessary to know web application architecture as it helps to access and secure web applications. I hope now you are clear with how to become an ethical hacker in 2024. So, do you want to upgrade your cybersecurity skills? Then why wait? Join us. GoLogica provide training on ethical hacking. We have a pool of expert trainers with years of experience in guiding people on what is ethical hacking, how to become an ethical hacker, and much more. Moreover, with us, you will get all the relevant study materials. You can contact us on the given number or visit www.gologica.com. Thank you.